Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles.
Welcome back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely. I am back with another video, you guys. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I guarantee you will definitely get a laugh up in this piece, okay? Because we keep it real. We keep it 100, and of course, we love to love. We love to have fun. So today, guys, as you can see, I'm going to be cooking. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to be cooking smothered pork chops. And I'm going to show you all of my ingredients in just a second. So I'm going to be doing more cook with me's. I'm going to be doing a lot more house to home type videos. So if you all are interested in that, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing started. I see y'all on the other side of the camera. I've got some freshly cleaned, washed meat. This is pork chop, but it is freshly cleaned. I actually cleaned it with some vinegar, and it actually has been washed. For the record, if anybody tell you don't clean your meat because it's already been cleaned out before you get it out the package, they lied to you, honey. When you get the meat out the package, you need to clean the meat, okay? Clean your meat. Clean whatever meat you ever eat before you put it in the pot. You need to clean your meat. You need to wash your meat or whatever kind of meat. Y'all know what I'm saying. Wash your meat, okay? We've got to wash. We got some cleaned pork chops, and I've got the one that has the bone in. I'm going to be using some egg noodles. Going to be using some pre-already cut pepper stir-fried vegetables, and it has the red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, and I think has some onions in it. And also we're going to be doing the California blend. For my sauce, I'm going to be using cream. Well, it says table cream, but cream, extra olive oil, some steakhouse seasoning, garlic powder, minced onion, parsley flakes, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So what I want to do now first is go ahead and season my meat. Use some garlic powder, and I really don't have any measurements for this, you guys. I actually just kind of eyeball it or whatever. Really just eyeball it. Take my tongs and I'm just going to mix up my meat. Extra olive oil, put it in my pan like so, and I'm going to wait for that to heat up, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my cutting board or my cutting sheet. And I forgot to mention, you guys, that we're gonna actually need a garlic clove or whatever. Taking this little bit of garlic right here and putting it in my pan. Why is my pan ain't hot yet? Oh, because I got it on low. Duh. Okay. I'm going to take my seasoned meat that I have seasoned already, real pretty. I'm going to lay it in the pan like so. And because these pork chops are actually really thin, it's not going to take a long time for them to cook because I don't want them to cook all the way through. I mean, I want them to cook all the way through, but I don't want them to cook for a long time. Flip them over like so. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just cover them for a few minutes. So you guys, my girlfriend actually introduced me to this wine called Taylor Port. It's a really good, sweet red wine. It's really, really good and tasty. I got this in my local winery wine shop yesterday, and it is really, really good. It's like a dessert wine, and it tastes really, really good. So if you guys want a really good wine, I definitely recommend that you try it. It's not that expensive either. It's very inexpensive, and it is really good, sweet red wine. And it's almost like it's actually a dessert wine, and the wine actually pairs good with like a blue cheese or some water crackers after a nice dinner. But I'm actually starting before my dinner. Okay. But yes, you guys. So if you guys are looking for a good wine, then that is definitely a good wine for you to try. Let's get back to the food. Okay, guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pork chops out of the pan, and I'm going to sit them in this pan over here. So while my pork chops are cooking down, I'm going to go ahead and start my vegetable medley. So I'm going to just start off with some butter. Like I said, I don't really measure anything. I just kind of eyeball everything. And I put my vegetables in this pot back here. And I'll just season this with a little bit of seasoning salt, little pepper. So the rule of thumb is, my mama always taught me, is when you're cooking, you actually clean as you go. So whenever you're done cooking, you will not have any dishes really, but the pots that your food is left in. So I'm actually cleaning my dishes as I go, because when I'm ready to eat, I'm ready to sit down and enjoy myself. So let me get this dishes washed and I'll be right back. Now that I have my pork chops over here cooking, simmering, and I've got my vegetables back there, now I'm getting ready to prepare my water for my noodles. So I've just got some water in here. And y'all excuse this pot, this raggedy pot. This pot has been passed down for a few generations, but it still cooked good. But we're going to go ahead and roll with it. So I got some water in here. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. Add some salt. And I'm going to add just a drop of, just a little bit of olive oil, just so that my noodles will not stick together. I'm going to add about that much of oil in there. And I'm going to wait till my water comes to a boil, and then I'm going to drop my noodles in there. Okay guys, so now that I've got my pork chops all pan seared down and cooked down, I'm going to take my last batch out. and sit the pork chops to the side like so. So now all you see is just fat drippings. You see the garlic. You see all of that in there. I'm going to keep that in there. And now what I'm going to do, you want to keep all of those fat drippings and stuff in there like that. And now I'm going to take my vegetable blend and drop them in there. Alright, so now I've got all my onions, my bell peppers in there with all of the fat drippings. I'm going to saute that up really, really good. Make sure it get really pretty and brown. Chops back into my sauce. I'm going to put it in there and tuck it under the sauce like so. Make sure that the pork chops are submerged really good in the sauce like so. Making sure you get all that good gravy and onions on it. Check my noodles, make sure that they are good and soft. And you know, with egg noodles, it does not take long at all for them to get really, really soft. I will be right back with the final result. Stop it. All right, guys, and this is the smothered pork chops with egg noodles and vegetable medley. And this is what we're having for dinner. Bon appetit. It's good. So make sure y'all like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram.